Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another Degen Hour. Hope you had a great weekend. I know I did. Had a good weekend. Markets were crazy as per usual, or maybe, per chance. We did actually get a trade in last night in the craziness. Let's see. Did we actually hit our take profit, which is dope. Did we hit our take profit here? Um, no, actually. So, um, on the let's see. This is the Degen account. So this is the road 10 to 1000 on the Degen account. We yesterday we set why does it look like that? Let's see. We set our prices or we set our entry on a short and looks like we're doing pretty good here on the Degen account, but actually on the other account, which is this is the actual 10 to 1000 account, we hit our take profit. So you can see there 1220, about 22% up on this profile since starting, which was $10, which is always good. This profile not so great, and I'll tell you why. We got a hole to dig out of there. $28.54. Go. Ooh, excuse me. So on this one, what we're trying to do, this is just our play around particular account. So this isn't a more serious one. So now that you know where I stand, those are all in. I do actually think we do have one leg down on this. So just my personal opinion. Could be totally wrong. We're going to have a hard stop today as I do have a marketing meeting or growth meeting at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. So it's a hard stop and not that big of a deal. We just need to make sure that we are at that meeting. All right. And anything new here that I should know about? Metals watch list. Okay. And then crypto. So there was something new added. Yes, XRP was added. So that was the new. And I do know that there are actually being even discussed right this very moment was some new equities being added. So we do have new things coming in every day for V2. All right. Give me one moment. Don't kill me. Hang around. If you guys are here, I really appreciate it. Really do. Would love to hear your comments down below. Of course, if you are on YouTube, drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe, follow, whatever they call it. And then if you're on X, of course, give us a follow, give us a like, help us out. Pick a post from last week that we curated just for you and repost it for me. You don't have to repost this stream. We're not worried about that. This is just you and I. It'd be great if you could repost one of those perfectly curated posts from last week and just repost it, and that'd be awesome. But let's get into some trading. Okay, so forecast for this week, not great actually. Nothing like really great. Nothing, no catalysts. Bitcoin's actually looking weak overall. Even though, I mean, this is probably a hot take, but I still believe Bitcoin actually, I think with all this bluster, we're trying to force a bull market, and we still have one more leg to go. Bitcoin did just cross the 200 moving average, went below it, then bumped up against it, which is not great. You don't really want to see that because that was a clean rejection. Moving average. Yeah. We don't want to see a rejection. There's your cross. And we're about to have our cross to the downside now. Because if you go on the daily, this is not looking super great. Excuse me. And this looks like we're having a reversal here to where we're going to have more downside momentum. So further proof is the fact that we're having weakening money supply coming in on the MACD. RSI's tipping over, going down. We're having money flow again on the negative. So, yep. So I think short term, you probably could play it like pretty easy, with the ebbs and flows. But long term, we're a little bearish just at the moment, with the macro, with everything going on. A little bearish. Not saying that can't change, but I am not super crazy positive on it. But we'll ask Grok. From intraday traders standpoint, what is going on today from an intraday trader standpoint, Grok? Oh, let me share this. Nice. What does Grok say? Grok says, happy Monday. It's a risk-off session for intraday traders driven by geopolitical tensions. There you go. Spiking oil prices, rising bond yields, and broader sell-off in risk assets. I've got to get my drink. My poor throat. U.S. futures are modestly lower in pre-market. Okay. Intraday bias defensive. Yeah. Okay. I mean, basically, yeah. I mean, it's just not great overall. And frankly, we are right at that decision point for Bitcoin, actually, which is the literal, if you've been on here, is the literal thing I was saying to watch for. If we lost this level, you would really, we'd be in trouble. And matter of fact, live right now, we are kind of losing that level. So that is why yesterday I did wake up and actually put a short in. So you could see I have that here. It was just instinctive. Once I kind of saw everything yesterday and I was setting everything up, I thought, yeah, this is we've got to be putting some shorts in, because by the time opening bell happens, we might not be in the best position to get in. So just in the prudence, I made sure I put some shorts in for us on our road to 10 to 1,000. Now, this is just the DGen account. So we do need to still look at what we're going to do with our newfound glory. $12.20. The newfound glory. What I should do is get Vibu on here, head of marketing for Solana Foundation, and have him trade with me. He trades 10K. I trade 10K. See who wins. I'm sure winner gets something cool. Winner gets something cool. Winner has to design a sweater from their respective company and buy it. Total custom sweater. Something like that. Hoodie. I'm a big hoodie guy, believe it or not. I don't wear a lot of hoodies on calls, but love hoodies. That is my favorite. All right. Limited high impact US data Monday. Japan GDP. Ooh, that's a good one. China data. That's a good one. G7 finance ministers meeting ongoing. FOMC minutes later this week add to macro sensitivity. So tons of crap going on this week that are just leading to unfortunate, turmoil. Sheesh. It says earnings ramp up this week is Nvidia, Walmart, etc. Why didn't it give me the full list? And then it says key levels to watch. Major indices near current highs. Breaks lower. Accelerate selling. Crypto supports at around 76. Yeah. Well, let's hope it does. If it breaks down below that, I'd say watch out. We are definitely going lower. So we'll see. We'll see if that support line really holds. We obviously cleanly broke above it, stayed above it. Now we're testing it. So this is the support area right here. We just break down. We break straight cleanly through this. Yeah, we're going. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we're going back down to lower levels. Obviously maybe not all the way down to the scam wick to 60K like it did, but we would revisit these lower levels down here. Wouldn't be surprised if it got back down to 60K, but depending on what the stock market did. Remember this right here. Remember this right there. Janitor is retarded. Don't trade like him. Okay. Hope that is understood. Hope we all are on the same page. I'm the janitor. There we go. Oh wow, I had a good breakdown too. We will climb the wall of worry. Gosh, wouldn't that be something? That'd be crazy. We revisited this. Oh, not that. This is 60. It'd be crazy if they were right. Some of these people are right about that 40K. I have Kind of crazy too, because let's see, oil's actually relatively where we left it last week, which is kind of wild. Need to get the macro so we can get the micro. All right, macro. Oil bleeding. S&P 500. See if it changes up. Nope. Gosh, this is like so terrifying. I mean, I know some people are like, this is normal. I'm like, not normal, dude. Not normal. We're at all-time highs. And if you think the stock market has never been disconnected more from reality. It's so terrifying. I get scared. Hey, what's up, Bard Hand? I saw you comment, by the way. Long hype. Let's see. We do have hype. Good Lord. Okay. Hype is crushing it. This is the kind of thing I'm talking about. I just said BTC, like Solana doesn't look as good as BTC. I hate to say it, but what does that look like? Let's see. Okay, 1, 2 chart. Same time frame. 2 chart. Bitcoin. I don't know, man. Strictly trading purposes, I would love to have been in hype earlier. I didn't have the opportunity, actually. I was just too heads down. Even crazier part about it is, like, I heard about it early on. Like, really early on. And I just didn't do anything about it, I guess. There's so many things I've heard about so early on. Like, what was it? Gummy. If anybody remembers that from Rand. Trump. Melania. There's a lot of, if you were in kind of the trenches, which I was, I just didn't really jump in like other people did. Other people are way more risk averse than I am. Right? Isn't the way to say it? Sure. So they made outsized gains. Well, I got like a little bit. I did pretty good on Gummy, though, to be fair. Plus, there was this early on ARB where basically Gummy was 3 times. You could sell it for 3 times what it was worth on like Bluefin or something. And that was just wild. And I was able to actually get in on that. So it was like I turned like 1K into 3K in like seconds. But it only lasted like, I don't even know. Not long. I mean, 10 minutes. Maybe not even 10 minutes. I just remember Marty Party calling it out. Everybody rushing over there. I set it up super fast. Was able to actually get out, which was a lot of people were struggling to actually have their orders filled. And, you know, luck of the draw. I got mine filled, so. Live on stream. Fun weekend. Oh my god. Imagine picking a chain based on who reposted. True. Very true. Let's see. Hype is really high at the moment, actually. So we're not going to long hype. What we're going to do is we're going to check out where commodities are. Not commodities, I mean metals. Gold and silver on the rise. Never a good omen for crypto. Not really showing signs of crazy weakness either. Not a great omen for crypto. And then oil in the commodities market is still staying strong at the 103, which does kind of lead me to believe there is a potential we have another spike in oil this week. Yeah. We're just having a pullback right now after the high or the short high. So it's a tough call. Tough call. Above the moving average, and then Sol is just languishing. So it, to me, it just looks like, again, could be a total reversal coming in because the note from earlier, do not copy janitor whatsoever. He's retarded. But to me, it could mean a reversal in Sol. Potentially. But we did just cross the moving average on the day, which does not bode well. So I actually think my particular take on it is we are going to not bounce through. Probably not cleanly, especially if Bitcoin breaks down. So I'm going to hold my short. I'm actually going to look for another short opportunity on Solana if we get a good bounce. So we could get a good clean bounce, and then we could head lower after that. So locally here, go to the 15-minute, look for that clean bounce where it might go. I'm actually going to set it at my previous liquidation. So we'll do 98.40. I think that's fair. Set a limit order on the conservative account, and we'll say limit order 98.40. 98.40 opened up. Oh. Oh, I don't have anything opened up here. Take. Because of slippage? No. Oh God, not that high. 0.8. Oh, that's a long. Sorry, I'm dumb. I was like, what's going on here? All right. Stupidity. There you go. Limit order opened. Is that easy? Now, on the Degen account, let's go a little bit Degen-y. We can close. You can full close this. Get the money. We're at $17.63. We're doing better on the Degen account after the third $10. Or no, fourth $10. I think it's around the fourth-ish. Yeah. Topped up twice. So yeah, not third. But hype is being hyped. So we could take out a cheeky market short. Not that I'm saying we should. I'm saying it's the Degen account. We lose our shirt on the Degen account every week. Yay. Let's look at some indicators before we just go whole hog. All right. Flipping RSI from the high. 1 minute's looking stable, but probably coming down. We're on the high for the day. Actually, all looking pretty good. Still could push higher, so we're going to keep the leverage relatively low. What about the 4 hour? Okay. Smaller time frame at the medium. We did just take out a lot of lows, though. So we're going to short it here. We're going to enter here. See what we get. Shorting hype. I know. Blessed mother. And we got in cleanly. Nice. Cleanly right in the middle of the range. Try to, if you can, as I preach here, but I don't follow with the Degen account, get in with limit orders. Find out where the price is going through some of your TA, AI, or any trading support that you have, and then get in on those beloved prices without And let's see Forex. I'm not a huge Forex trader just because I'm not privy to how to trade Forex. So trying to stay in my lane. But if you all really love to trade Forex, it is available for you on V1 and V2. Haven't added any additional Forex to V2, but commodities, metals, equities, and crypto are all much expanded on V2. We have over 100 markets. No confirmation screens, no transaction costs. Pretty cool. Should I be down here? Should it be right here? It makes the trading screen so small. Let's do that. This looks good. You still get the full screen and still get to see my ugly mug. All right. We are playing out pretty decently here for hype. So that was a good market entry. We have our limit order set for Solana on the $10 to $1,000 wallet. So if limit order hits, good. If not, we stay out of the hyper volatile moment, which is going to be this week. This is definitely going to be a good week to trade if you're a swing trader or scalper. But for long term, if you're just a long term buy and hodl, perfect. You've got some good opportunities in the market at the moment. I don't know if we'll revisit the 60 or anything like that on Sol. But if we do put in new all-time lows, not all-time, new this cycle lows, could be the real bottom that we have been looking for. So if hype is bleeding, my guess is Bitcoin's bleeding pretty good. My guess was right. Yeah, it looks like I was right directionally. So I'm going to hold on to this hype play, and it should be an accelerant next to Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin dumps, hype, Sol, all those others seem to be bleeding with it. So I'm going to, in the prudent way that I should, gonna set a TP, and I'm going to personally set a stop loss probably there. We're gonna check these out real quick, so it's super easy to check them out. You can hover, see exactly where everything is, price, and then you can do view all. They'll show up on the right hand side here. You'll actually see your P&L at stop loss. I got $1.40 TP. I get a 35% on the TP, which is $6.24. That'll put us at the $20 mark, right? I think so. Yeah, it'll push over the $20 mark. So actually what I'm going to do is probably put it here. What is this? What are we at? 23%. And then I'm going to take this. I'm going to say take out 50%. We're going to confirm. So 50% here. And then I'm going to Let's see. Create new. 35 out of 100. It's not calculating for the 50% taken out, so but that's fine. I'll put that second TP there and then just get out completely if it goes there. I think it's good. I think we're good. You can see this laddered down. And if not, we make $1. We make $1. We kicked above the moving average now with Bitcoin. Could see a decent recovery or a complete rejection down like we just saw here. It broke up, down, comes straight back down. It looks to me directionally like we are headed down. And some of this is just kind of market maker manipulation to clear out those little beautiful longs that everybody seems to be getting into. One thing we can check is the Leviathan chart. Let's see if Marty Party posted that up. He could have definitely. Marty Party. Aha! Hey, can we pop this out here? There we go. All right. So, let's see. This is definitely not live. That is not the live price. What is going on here? So, 30-second chart looks like it is not live. Wait a minute. Is this live? It's not live either. Yeah, unfortunately, we don't have a live chart of the Leviathan. Would have been cool to have that, but unfortunately, don't. But at the Leviathan chart, if you do have TradingView, check out the Leviathan liquidity or liquidation levels. And it's a very interesting chart. Typically, I can get it from like Marty Party or something like that. Right now, he just unfortunately does not have it up. So interesting. Well, there. Yep. Rip. Not trying to say I told you so, but kind of told you so. Did we hit our first stop loss? Hey! Or not stop loss, I mean TP. Let's go. Hit our first take profit. Sheesh. Cool. All right. All right. Very cool. Very cool. Still at that 35%. Need to hit that. And looks like we're well on our way. We might have a bounce here. But yeah, the price is looking good. Dogs keep barking. So, is that a good omen or a bad omen? Really love this song, but after the 700th time, what's Blue River? Oh, little elevator music. There we go. All right, so we hit our first TP, got 50% out. Now this is the 30% with 100% out. Hype is pushing to the upside. I'm guessing Bitcoin is recovering. Sure is. And more than likely the crude oil. Oh no, crude oil is still pumping up. Let's see. Equity still holding strong. Really no reason, probably just a relief bounce here. Needing to take out some of those shorts that came in, those heavy shorts, and took out a few of those. Market makers doing what they do. Keeping those markets clean for us. Another interesting thing I was talking about last week is doing something like this. Where's that? Share this tab. There we go. So using Claude as your, trading buddy. Some cool things to do just as like a reference is, obviously adding a great instruction file. So this, adding something like this. See, this is for my on air. So this actually knows that I'm live and everything. But another cool thing to do is to actually build out files on trading strategies and different things to have in its knowledge base here. So this is a really interesting way to trade things. So like, so I'm watching Sol at the moment. Are you able to help me find an entry and direction for day with a safe stop loss? I guess stop loss is 2 words. See, gender's retarded. Stop loss and take profit levels. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it information that it needs. Just going to do full screenshot here of the different time frames. I always do 1 minute, 4 hour. Oops. Oh, that was a mistake. Let's see. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Safety first. All right, 4. Cool. And then we definitely want to give it the day. And then let it do its own TA. Hit research. Make sure that's on. We definitely should include more resources for it, but I just wanted to see what it would say here. So we'll see. I call this one my trading buddy. If anybody's interested in the instruction file, just hit me up and we'll get that to you. You didn't approve my wallet. Did you send the wallet? And where did you send it? Obviously, you don't have to do that live on stream. I just need to know where to look for it. So let me know. Oh, we got a response. Okay. I was looking for this guy's response. I appreciate you dropping a comment. We'd love to get you on V2. Don't know where your wallet is. Guys, you have to realize that if we make a post, this is a manual process. This is not automatic. Yeah, we didn't get to everybody. Not only that, we didn't say we'd allow everyone in. So if you did not get in, apologies for that. But the main thing there is that V2 is gated. We're rolling it out to as many users as we can, as fast as we can. But it is a stress test of the system. So, and you are an alpha user. So V2, honestly, you know, from your perspective, I'm sure it looks completely ready. But from our perspective, we need to be very careful with that. And we need to make sure that we are gating it properly and just slow rolling it out as time goes on, so as to make sure that once the masses get it and get their hands on it, we don't run into a bunch of issues. Yeah, I mean, that's honestly about it. We can't just roll it out to, 2, 3, 4, 5,000 people. Right off the bat, it does say V2 beta, and all alpha users who are currently on it, they are essentially stress testing the system at scale. So, and globally. And that is what we are trying to do. Remember that most trading platforms, even centralized trading platforms, service specific areas mainly with their customer base. With Flash Trade, we are global. And I can say, without a doubt, from looking at the analytics and everything else that we do definitely service global. I get the full map of who trades on Flash Trade, and yeah, it's pretty wild if you actually look at the analytics. We have customers pretty much everywhere in the world. There's nowhere that we don't touch. From South America to North America to all of Asia, Europe, Africa, and those beautiful bastards down under. Nobody in Antarctica, though. You know what I mean? What's going on with them? Unbelievable, really. Figure you would just get way more traction. We even have people in like the Folk Islands and stuff, which is absolutely wild. There's some really interesting places that people trade from. Greenland, Iceland, bizarre. So we are truly a global platform. So in that respect, we have to make sure that these systems can be serviced globally. So, yep, rolling it out slow. If you want to tell me where you dropped this. It was embarrassing, so I deleted my wallet in the reply. Gotcha. I wouldn't say embarrassing. Reach out to us in the DMs. We'll keep you on the short list for it. Let me just go over this very quickly. Basically, it says enter at 83.35 in the 5-minute close. Momentum stop loss is at 84. It's actually saying breakdown. Wow. Okay. It says two-sided right here. 83,046 is the binary. Primary play is the breakdown short. Alternative is a rally fade. Do not long this until the daily downtrend without real reclaim. So directionally, even the AI matched with me. We're going to keep this trade open until it hits its stop loss. I appreciate you watching so much. I really do. We do this Degen Hour every single day at US Open, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. You figure it out. Terrible with UTC. Whatever time that is for you, it is 9:30 Eastern Standard Time for me. So we make sure that we are here during the open because it's the most volatile time. That's why Degen Hour is here. Today, we made a little bit of profit on a short on Solana. And we're making major profits on Hype with a cheeky short on the Degen wallet. We do have an entry point set up or a limit order set up for the $10 to $1,000 wallet. We're about 20%, 20% and or 22% up on the $10 to $1,000 wallet. This is week 2, so a solid week 2 for that trade. And if you'd like to follow along, join us every single morning and drop us a comment, drop us a like. Yeah, of course, brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate you showing up, showing out for us. We try to bring you the best, latest and greatest. And I try to give you all the like tips and tricks. My TP's about to be hit. Here, I'll share this. So take profit's about to get hit live. It's very, very close. Might just close it out at 30%. Since our we do not trade emotionally, trade by percentages. So we got out at 20%. We were going to get out at 35% because I was pretty confident in that trade. Confidence level increases, percentages increase. That's kind of how I play it. But like always, traders, thank you so much for joining. A few things. Follow us on X. Like one of our posts from last week or our upcoming posts, repost those for us. I really appreciate it. Gets it out to more people as the perp narrative plays out on Solana. Of course, join our Discord. Get involved in the community. This will give you the best chance of getting V2 beta access as it, of course, rolls out to our community first. We are community oriented. This is why we are an ownership token. This is why we rev share. This is why we obviously have proposals that can be placed by actual FAP stakers. Everything we do is for the community. And like always, traders, I'll see you in the markets.